Vietnam, is it right?
Yes.
So, may I know what is your profession or occupation?
Yeah, I have no job.
Okay. So, you are a student? Are you a student?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Okay. So, actually, what do you do? How
I'm
much?
doing nothing.
Yeah?
I'm doing nothing.
Okay. So, in Vietnam, actually, what is your local language or mother language in Vietnam?
Vietnamese.
Okay. So, how many languages do you know and speak properly?
Yeah, Vietnamese. And English I'm learning.
Okay, okay, okay. So, you are study and practice in English on this platform. What is the reason?
Just for fun.
Just for fun. No, actually, you have to fix your target. Actually, what would you like to do in future? Actually, now,
Yeah.
okay, now you are a very much young person. So now, if you respect your time, time will respect your future. But now, if you don't respect your time, time will not respect your future. Okay, time is valuable for everyone. Okay, so actually age is same, but quality is not same. Hmm? School is same, teacher is same, book also same, environment also same, but different student have different quality. Is it right? So actually quality is much more important for everyone. So maximum time I explain that the knowledge is powerless without skill. Knowledge is valueless without skill. Eh? Knowledge is powerless without skill. So skill is much more important than knowledge. Okay. So everyone have to learn something new thing because I believe that every day is school day. Every day is learning day. We should learn something new thing every day. I personally believe that. What do you think?
I'm sorry. Hello? Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry. Continue.
Okay, so every day is school day, every day is learning day. We should learn something new thing every day. Okay, so knowledge is much more knowledge and skill much more important for everyone. Okay, so I'm asking that what is your talent or what is your skill that can difference from other? What do you think?
Sorry.
What is your skill that can difference from other? And what is your talent that can difference from other? What do you think?
Uh, I I'm doing nothing. I have nothing. Yeah, it is kind of different from other people. Right? People have a lot of things, right? They have everything, but I don't have anything. Yeah, kind of different.
Okay, okay. Uh, actually, life is very much difficult part. Okay, so
But it's not difficult for me because I don't have anything. So it's very easy. People have a lot of things, job, um, responsibility, family, relationships, and they have a lot of money. They have a lot of goats, houses. Yeah, they have to think, oh, how to take care of it, how to earn more money, how to solve the problem with relationship, how to make my wife feel happy, everything, and how to teach my children. Yeah, they have a lot of things, so that's why. Yeah, yeah, I'm very peaceful because I don't have anything.
okay, actually you are very much young person, so no, you must be remember that the ball is in your court. Okay, ball, ball is in your court. So you must know, you have to know how to handle the ball perfectly, properly in your life. Okay, so
Do you think I'm young?
yeah, yeah, very much young person.
I'm glad to hear that.
And very much beautiful girl, very much beautiful girl. So very much energetic time. Your ball is in your court. You are very much teenager. Your stamina, your accountability, your responsibility, your positivity, your aspiration, inspiration, determination, concentration, everything will be much more better than me. Okay, so you will be much more talented. Okay, so accountability, time management, everything is very much better for you. Okay, so you have to handle your time, you have to manage your time. Okay, so actually monkey minded mind is not mind. Okay, our mind is monkey minded. Okay, so that's why we are not success in our life.
Oh my God, that's my life, my purpose, my goal is nothing, doing nothing, thinking nothing. Yeah, live in peace.
Okay, actually, monkey has no brake, no class, no gear. Okay, all time. He is busy. Yeah, all time monkey is busy, but he has no quality. Okay, so he has no quality. So quality is much more
What
important
is
for
the
you.
quality life?
Yeah,
How do we find quality life?
actually, you just identify what quality will be much more better for you. Just example, Elon Musk age is 45, my age is 45. What is the difference between of them? Okay, so actually, time management quality, time management activity, I did not did it very much better way. So this is my this that's why. Okay, so
Okay, all right, times is over. So I just want to say, like, the quality life, it depends on personality. If you are living happily, you are enjoying your life, and that's the quality life. But if you have a lot of things, you have a lot of money, you have, yeah, but you are not happy, it's really not quality life.
okay,
Really?
actually.